Hi students, here I am with history class, lesson number 3, the River Valley Civilizations and Indus Valley Civilization. So what do you understand by the term civilization? What do you know about civilization? What is the term meant by, the word meant by civilization? So it's generally defined as an advanced state of human society containing highly developed forms of government, culture, industry and common social forms. So civilization is meant by highly advanced or developed forms. So it is having highly advanced state of government, culture, industry and social norms. Then this word civilization is derived from the Latin word civilis or civil. Civilis means civil. The word civilization has been derived from the Latin word civilis, which means civil. And the characteristics of civilization. There are main points to be discussed with. I'll make the point short and teach you. The first point is presence of urban centers, towns and cities. Second is agriculture revolution and storage for future livelihood. Third is special crafts and skills. Fourth, language and script. Fifth is standard of measurement for the exchange of goods. Then the next point is craftsmanship for building complex structures, tools and art. And next point is social stratification. Stratification means division, that different classes of people and their culture. Social stratification. Then next is governing bodies and laws. And the last point is common religion and ideological beliefs. So these are the characteristics of civilization. Then the reasons for settlement near rivers. Why people of those days lived near the river? What was the reason for their settlement near the river or rivers? There are few reasons mentioned here. First of all, the land near the river is fertile. Very fertile land is there near the river. So they could grow different varieties of crops. They could do it. So the land is fertile to grow various crops. Second reason, it is said water for irrigation. They used to get plenty of water for the irrigation purpose. Okay. Then the third reason, it is said rivers were important means of transport. They could transport their things from one place to another through the rivers, because roads did not exist. In those days, roads were not there. Proper transportation was not there. Roads were not maintained properly. So they used to transport their goods through rivers. And the last reason, it is said here, it provided protection from enemies. So these were the four reasons mentioned here. Then the period, civilization period lasted from 2500 BC to 1500 BC. 2500 BC to 1500 BC. All right. Then I am going to discuss with you sources of civilization. So there are three sources mentioned here. We came to know about the Indus Valley civilization from archaeological excavations. Archaeological excavation means they used to dig out the land and they used to get something from below the earth, and from there they came to know about the civilization. So archaeological civilization. Second is inscriptions. Inscriptions means writings. they used to get writings, and from this writing they came to know about the civilization. And third is official documents. So these were the sources they got. The first is archaeological excavations. Excavation means discoveries. Then inscriptions, writings, and official documents. Next is about civilization. We are going to study about civilization. It is said that the first discovery of the Indus Valley civilization was made by an Indian archaeologist, Dayaram Saini, in 1921. That was the first discovery about the civilization. And the second discovery was made by Rakhaladas Banerjee in 1922, next year, 1921, 1922. Okay. And there are more things written here, you can read and see. And the Indus Valley civilization is the largest of all the river valley civilization, which flourished during the Bronze Age and spread over an area about this means many square feet kilometers. Around 2,800 sites have been discovered, okay, so far. And this civilization, Indus Valley civilization, covered many parts of Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. And some major belongings to Indus Valley civilization that during later excavations are in Armi or Amri, Pakistan, then Ropar, Punjab, and Banawali, Haryana, then from Gujarat, etc. These places names are given here. And the next point we are going to study characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization. And they have planned, town planning was the main thing. They planned out town planning, how they have to make or what all things should be included in the town. Town planning was a unique feature of Indus Valley civilization. Their town planning proved that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. Well-planned cities were the most striking feature of Indus Valley civilization. So they have planned out very well and they lived a very nice, hi-fi life. So from their town planning we came to know that they were living a standard type of living. They were settled well. Then the citadel. Next is, and the town planning, first thing is citadel. From the town planning, first thing they made is citadel. Citadel was the upper part of the Harappan cities. It was built on a raised platform which was enclosed by high wall. So as a part of their town planning, they made citadel. The next is the Great Granary. The Great Granary was the largest building at Harappa in the citadel area. It was the most impressive structure of the Harappan sites. Next is Great Granary. The structure had 2 rows and 6 granaries, all of them situated near the river area. So as a part of their town planning, they made citadel, then the Great Granary, then the Great Bath. The Great Bath was one of the most impressive public buildings. It was a rectangular structure resembling a swimming pool. Then the next point is Assembly Hall. Assembly Hall or the Great Pillar Hall at Mohenjo was another impressive public building in the citadel area. It was a huge structure about 70 meters long and over 23 meters wide. The Assembly Hall, it was a very big hall. So today I am going to discuss with you only these many points. Otherwise in 3 classes I will complete the class. So I have discussed with you the meaning of civilization, and the word civilization has been derived from the Latin word civilis, which means civil. Then the next point I discussed with you the characteristics of civilization. Then reasons for settlement near the river, and the period, which period it belonged. then the sources of civilization, then about civilization, and the main characteristics of Indus Valley civilization. First point was town planning. In town planning, I discussed with you citadel, the great granary, the great bath, and the assembly hall. So these are the points I would like to teach you today. Thank you, dear children. Please do watch the video and read the book. Thank you. Bye-bye.